Hi, it's Jennifer from Harmony, and today I brought along something special to share with you that I learned about through Friends Art Lab on Instagram, and this is called Story Stones. So I brought along today my special little Story Stones bag, and inside this bag are all kinds of little stones that can help me tell a story. Now, I don't know what story I'm going to share with you today because I'm going to open up my bag. And I'm going to put my hand in and start my story. My story starts. There was a beautiful rainbow in the sky. It was full of colors: red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. It was beautiful. And then it made my heart smile. It made my heart sing. It was so pretty that then the next thing I did was I shared my little heartfelt song with my Storytime friends. It made me smile and it made them smile too. And then it made us all so happy that we went outside, skipping around outside, and we were looking for all the beautiful spring blossoms that were starting to pop out of the ground. And then it started to rain. Very, very quickly, the rain started to fall down from the sky. But it wasn't just any ordinary rain. It was rain that came in little polka dots of color. It was so pretty and so beautiful. And then it helped all those beautiful little flowers begin to grow, and for the trees to nourish them and to help them grow too. And then it made for a wonderful, wonderful afternoon for the ladybugs, because now they came outside. Well, they were outside, but they went in among the flowers and the trees. It made them happy too. And then, as I said, it made them happy too. All those little droplets of rain made the little ladybugs happy. It made a smile in their heart as well. And it made all around happy. Everybody who came outside, they saw the flowers blooming from the beautiful rain that had fallen. And then finally, everybody looked out their windows and they could see all those beautiful colors from then on through the spring and through the summer. And then the sun did come out, and it made for a beautiful, lovely story. So my friends, I challenge all of you to make some story stones. If you don't have stones and acrylic paints to do that, you could always take a piece of paper, you could take some crayons, some markers, draw lots of wonderful little pictures on there, and put them all in a bag or a box. And I challenge you to come up with your own stories. Use your imaginations. You never know what wonderful stories can be told from your very own imaginations. Have a great day, my friends.